Hi, it's Stacey at Wayside Garage. We're here with Alan.
Hello.
And we have a 2019 Ford Expedition with a 3.5 liter engine that came in. The client actually brought it in for an oil leak concern. And Alan inspected the vehicle and found that it's actually not leaking oil. It was leaking coolant. Alan, what did you find that was leaking?
It was the water pump.
Water pump, interesting. Why coolant is normally not the same color as engine oil? Why do you think that they would think that it was oil and not coolant?
Probably wasn't changed regularly. So if it's not changed on time, then it'll change color.
Interesting, because the coolant does break down, correct?
Correct.
Okay.
Becomes acidic.
It does become acidic. It affects the pH level after it breaks down, which will cause electrolysis. And more than likely, that's the reason why the water pump, you said the bearing went out?
Yeah, the bearing failed.
Okay. So if it's not, if the properties of the antifreeze are not correct or within specification, then too much corrosion will start to happen internally and it'll affect the metals. I'm actually going to have Alan show you what the water pump looks like right here. Okay, Alan, so show us what's going on with that water pump.
So this is from a Ford 3.5 liter V6 engine. And typically when the bearing goes out, there's a weak hole here, right? This little hole here, and that's where the coolant will leak out and leak down onto the engine block and down onto the ground. So without changing your coolant regularly, you will get excess wear on the bearing and cause that bearing to leak.
Interesting. I noticed that the internal part of that, the fan, is, or the blades that are moving are plastic.
Correct. This one is plastic.
Interesting. So that, I would think that that could potentially cause an issue too, because if it's plastic, it can become brittle and start to break.
Correct. Getting too hot, it can. Yes.
Very cool.
Good.
So here at Wayside Garage, we're happy to get your vehicle checked out. We do suggest having an inspection and or service at least every 6 months or every 5,000 miles, whichever occurs first. And our ASE certified technicians are here to help you with that. Give us a call at 831-899-2425, or you can schedule online at www.waysidegarage.com. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more tech tips.